afternoon to all. This is Krishna Kumar Agarwal. Today I am going to deliver a demonstration as well as come lecture in order to explain the working of reciprocating type compressor. This compressor is meant for the cooling used in air conditioners, refrigerators as well as water cooling plants. Here you can see that a compressor, a reciprocating compressor is cutted, and the reciprocating part, or you can say the compressor unit, is shown, is demonstrated here. You can see that initially, if we talk about a compressor used in air conditioner, then here you can see that within this air conditioner, this compressor initially supported by a suction coil, that is here in cross section you can see. Similarly, here a compression coil or suction coil is there, which is used to suck the air, suck the refrigerant, which is filled at low pressure, low temperature over here. Then this low temperature, low pressure vapor that comes within this compressor goes to this particular unit, sucked by this inlet portion. From here, this inlet portion, this is the actually here you can see that this particular pipe comes out. It is just connected with these pipes, these suction pipes. Through these suction pipes, the refrigerant comes or enters within this cylinder piston assembly, which is rotate or which works with the help of this particular motor portion. Here, as we provide the supply from the in terms of electrical work, then this motor starts, and as the motor starts to run, then you can see up here cylinder piston assembly is mounted. Here you can see that the cylinder piston is moved. With the help of this rotor, first the electrical field maintains. During within the magnetic field, this electrical current passes through within these coils, and the system, a cyclic process completes. Then shaft rotates. As the shaft rotates, then you can see the crank rotates, and the rotary motion of crank is transmitted into translatory motion within this cylinder piston assembly. Now what happens, just I'm demonstrating you like here. A thin plate is mounted over the surface of this cylinder piston assembly. You can see that as the cylinder is used to suck the refrigerant, and when it moves from TDC to BDC, then what happens, this particular portion, that is inlet valve, sucks the refrigerant. Inlet valve sucks the refrigerant during the suction process itself. Then later on, when as the shaft moves from BDC to TDC again, then this particular refrigerant gets compressed, and this compressed refrigerant is used to force on this particular ring, in this particular portion, which is mounted on the other side, mounted on the other side of the this particular compressor. You can see that from here the refrigerant continuously sucks. It enters over here in this portion, cylinder piston assembly, then get compressed by the piston itself, and again converts into high pressure, high temperature refrigerant. Then this high pressure, high temperature refrigerant passes through this discharge tubes, which is directly connected at the other end of the compressor, that is at this end, other end. From here, the compressor by this way you can see that compressor compresses the low pressure, low temperature refrigerant into high pressure, high temperature refrigerant. So within this video, we have seen the working of reciprocating compressor. In the next video, we'll see the working of air conditioning unit. And if you like this video, then please subscribe this video. Thank you.